Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 1 of a mensuration lesson. Coming to the 5th sum, find the height of the trapezium whose area is. So A is equal to 1080 centimeters square. Lengths of its parallel sides. Bigger one, take it as 55.6 centimeter. The smaller one, 34.4 centimeter. Now, first you write the shape, that is trapezium. Area is given. It is 1080 centimeter square. Now, A is given 55.6 centimeter and B is given 34.4 centimeter. Height is equal to how much? Same, put the value or formula, write the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. Area is 1080 is equal to half into 55.6 plus 34.4 into h. 1080 is equal to half into 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 10, 1 plus 5 is 6, 7 8 9. So this is 90 into height. 7 ones are 7 45s are, isn't it? So height is equal to 1080 upon 45. Now it is 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 remains, 5 6 are 30. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 19 20 21, 3 and 6 36, 9 4s are 36. So you got 24, it is in centimeter. Answer, height of the trapezium of the given trapezium is 24 centimeter. Only the calculation part you have to be careful. Okay? Formula. By the end of this worksheet, you will be confident of the formula. Now coming to the 6th sum, area of the trapezium. A is equal to 12 square meter. The height is 3 meter. Find the sum of the parallel sides. What is the sum of parallel sides? A plus B. So area is equal to, first write solution and a trapezium shape. First of all you write, then area is 12 square meter. Height is equal to 3 meter. The sum of parallel sides means A plus B is equal to how much? Easy sum. Area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. 12 area, half into A plus B as it is, you have to keep. Height is 3. 2 and 3 they cannot be cancelled. So that is why 12 into 2 upon 3 is equal to A plus B. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. So A plus B is equal to 4 2s are 8 meter. It is in meter, so it will be meter. Answer: the sum of the parallel sides is 8 meter. Okay, that is 5th and 6th questions. Now coming to, it is the 7th question. The area of the trapezium is given and its height is given. Okay, area of the trapezium is 248 square meter. The height is 8 meter. If one of the parallel side is smaller than the other by 4 meter. One of the side is smaller than the other by 4 meter. Means what? If you take, they have not given the side. If you take the bigger side as x meter, the smaller side will be 4 less than the other. So it becomes x minus 4 meter. Now we have to find x and then the parallel sides. समझ में आ गए? कोई भी साइड नहीं दिए हैं, एक साइड दूसरे साइड से 4 मीटर लेस, वैसे बोले हैं. इसके लिए एक साइड को x मीटर ले लो और दूसरे साइड को x माइनस 4 मीटर आएगा. फिर x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो, फिर दोनों साइड्स को फाइंड आउट करो. फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन, ट्रेपेजियम एरिया is given 248 square meter and height is equal to 8 meter. Now let A is equal to x meter and B is equal to x minus 4 meter. क्यों? क्योंकि 4 it is smaller than the other by 4 meter. Now we have to find out A and B. A is equal to how much? B is equal to how much? Area of trapezium, सेम फॉर्मूला डालने का और x फाइंड आउट करो. हाफ इंटू a प्लस b इंटू हाइट. एरिया इज 248. हाफ इंटू a is x plus b is x minus 4 into height is 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So you got 248 is equal to x plus x, that is 2x minus 4. इधर ब्रैकेट है लेकिन इधर प्लस है, सो डायरेक्टली यू कैन डू x plus x is 2x minus 4. So 2x is equal to, sorry, here 4 is there, so bring it to the other side. This 4, when it is on the other side, it will be divide. 4 1s are 4 6s are 24, 4 2s are 8. Now 62 is equal to 2x minus 4. So 2x is equal to 62 plus 4. Isn't it? So 2x is equal to 66. Therefore x is equal to 66 by 2, that is 33. You got x. So answer, the two parallel sides are x is equal to 33 meter. See, A is equal to x is equal to 33 meter and B is equal to x minus 4. That is 33 minus 4 is equal to 29 meter. 29 meter. So you find out x and then A and B. Is it clear? So first one side is x, the other side is 4 meter less. So x minus 4. Put the formula, put the values and then find out x and A and B. X and x minus 4 you have to find. Now coming to the 8th sum. Find the two parallel sides of a trapezium whose area is A is 1.6 meter square and altitude, that is h, is equal to 10 dm. Area is meter square. The height is given in a dm. Already we have learnt. So if it is different units, you have to convert, isn't it? So first write solution trapezium. So sides we will see how it has to be written. Area is equal to 1.6 meter square. Now height is equal to 10 dm, means 10 upon 10 is equal to 1 meter. dm say meter, so divide by 10, so you get 1 meter. अभी sides के बारे में, one of the parallel sides is longer, greater than the other by 8 dm. So let A be x meter, इधर ऊपर की जैसे ही, लेकिन B is equal to x plus 8 dm, x plus 8 dm, but this is in meter. Convert 8 dm into meter. So it will be how much? 8 dm, when you convert, it will be 8 by 10 meter. So 8 by 10 is 0.8 meter. Yes or no? dm to meter we have to divide by 10. 8 by 10, it is 0.8. So it will be x plus 0.8 meter. Okay. Now find out, just like the above one, area of a trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height, that is 1.6 is equal to half into A plus B. A is x plus 0.8 into 1. So directly you can divide 1.6 by 2. Sorry, multiply, isn't it? When it goes to the left, it goes multiply by 2 is equal to x plus x is 2x plus 0.8. Understood? So this is 1. So no need of taking to there. So here 2 goes to the numerator. इधर डिनोमिनेटर में लेफ्ट में जाने के वक्त न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. 2 6 और 16 2 it is 32. So 6 2 12, 2 1 2 3, is equal to 2x plus 0.8. So 2x is equal to 3.2. 0.8 दूसरे साइड जाने के वक्त माइनस बनेगा. सो 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 2 is remaining. So x is equal to 2.4 upon 2. Divide. So it becomes 1.2. So you got one side answer. The two parallel sides are 1.2 meter. First one, x a is equal to x is equal to 1.2 meter. B is equal to x plus 0.8, that is 1.2 in plus 0.8, 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 1 2, that is 2 meter. समझ में आया? A is equal to x, that is 1.2. B is equal to x plus 0.8, मीटर का ही लेने का. So 1.2 plus 0.8 you get 2.0, that means 0. Decimal cancel करेंगे तो 2 meter. So we have completed the question number 8 of our first worksheet. Hope all students are confident with all these 8 sums of trapezium. Bye. Thank you. All the best.